The Export project is an initiative that oversees the construction of over 450 kilometers of new gas pipelines, with diameters ranging from 48 inches to 56 inches, or 1.2 meters to 1.4 meters. We also implemented compressor stations, two of which are new in Minerbio and Segnano, in order to increase the compression power up to 85 megawatts. We faced a problem in the construction of the Zimella-Cervignano pipeline, with a 56-inch diameter, therefore a fairly large one, 1.4 meters. We had the objective of building a gas pipeline within an SCI, Site of Community Importance, or, if you wish, a natural protected reserve, that is called Cave Danesi. To comply with environmental provisions, we had the requirement to complete this project using only trenchless technology. However, the longer lead time was not compatible with microtunneling, which was the methodology we had used up to then. That is because microtunnels advance approximately 10 to 12 meters per day, and considering the total length was of approximately 1,400 meters, we would not have been able to finish it within the time frame granted to us by the authorities, namely the months from October to February. So we brainstormed and tried to find alternative solutions. We were able to carry out this project with a new technology, which was tested for the first time ever worldwide right here, by dividing the crossing into two parts. We used a technology called direct pipe that allows the installation underground with no direct digging of the conduit and avoiding any extra sheathing. In particular, we managed to build these two segments in sequence, digging only an area of about 20 meters or so in length and 10 meters in width, in which we connected the two sections for a total distance of around 1,400 meters. In this way, we were able to finish the project within the given time frame, enabling us to multiply our productivity by 10, with peaks of activity which saw us working on 120 meters per day, compared to the 12 meters a day with microtunnels.